गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल @मरीन टेक पांडे जी में आपका स्वागत है। आइए एक नया एमएस नोटिस 4/2021 डेटेड 15 जुलाई 2021 आपके सामने रख रहा हूं। देखिए, इसका सब्जेक्ट है क्लैरिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड क्लैरिफिकेशन रिगार्डिंग लिक्विफाइड कार्गो हैंडलिंग सिमुलेटर कोर्स for issuance of management level DC or DC level 2 advanced oil DC for officers of nautical discipline regarding क्या है कि the directorate has received several queries from the candidate regarding the requirement for undergoing liquid cargo handling simulator LCHS course for issuance of management level DC, that is advanced oil tanker DC, for person with immediate responsibility for loading, discharging, care in transit, handling of cargo, tank cleaning or other cargo related operation on oil tanker, that is for officer of nautical discipline. Chapter 5 of Regulation 5/1-1 para 3 and 4 of the STCW Convention requires Master Chief Engineer Officers, Chief Mate Second Officers and any person with immediate responsibility for loading, discharging, care in transit, handling of cargo, tank cleaning of other cargo related operation on oil tanker to hold a certificate in advanced training for oil tanker cargo operation, that is advanced oil tanker DC, for obtaining certificate of proficiency in advanced oil tanker cargo operation rule 52(4C) of MS Notice Rule 2014 requires completion of approved advanced training for oil tanker cargo operation and approved full mission liquid cargo handling simulator for deck officer on oil tanker. Further, Chapter 5 Section 5(1) para 2.4 of TEAP Part A specifies successful completion of an approved full mission liquid cargo handling simulator of course of 5 days duration for deck officer on oil tanker. The STCW Convention does not specify requirement for undergoing the said liquid cargo handling simulator course. However, it has been made mandatory for the obtaining Indian COP to ensure that the knowledge of Indian COC holder in complemented through realistic training, exercise and experience in handling oil tanker in a simulator-based practice ship-like environment. Considering that liquid cargo handling simulator course is currently not being conducted due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it is decided by the LCHS course is temporarily to be treated as not mandatory for issuance of certificate of proficiency in advanced training for oil tanker cargo operation. In such case, COP is advanced training for oil tanker cargo operations will be issued for a period of 31st December 2022. All officers who obtain the COP based on the relaxations are however urged to complete the LCHS course as soon as it returns. On completion of LCHS course, the full term certificate for 5 years will be issued. This is issued with the approval of the Director General of Shipping and Additional Secretary to the Government of India. देखिए, कैप्टन जीपी सिनोय साहब का ये साइन है। तो ये पहले का सर्कुलर है, एक्चुअली 2021 का सर्कुलर है। उसके पहले भी जो लोग सेकेंड ऑफिसर, चीफ ऑफिसर, मास्टर रैंक के जो लोग हैं डेक साइड के, उनको अगर एडवांस लेवल डीसी या डीसी लेवल 2 जो है लेना है तो उनको LCHS करने की जरूरत है। लिक्विड कार्गो हैंडलिंग सिमुलेटर कोर्स जो कि 5 दिन का कोर्स है, करेंगे तभी आपका मैनेजमेंट लेवल डीसी इशू होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं। लेकिन कोविड के टाइम पे थोड़ा दिन के लिए इन्होंने ये कोर्स बंद कर दिया था LCHS, और जो है डीसी देते थे, लेकिन उसकी वैलिडिटी जो है 5 साल नहीं देते थे। तो जैसे ही ये LCHS कोर्स मतलब क्लासरूम होने लगा तो डीसी ने बोला है कि ये क्लासरूम कोर्स करेंगे और करने के बाद आप डीसी लेवल 2 के तरफ जा सकते हैं। सो हाउ इज द वीडियो, काइंडली कमेंट एंड लाइक एंड शेयर। थैंक यू।